Afghanistan, with its abundant natural resources, young workforce, and unique geopolitical position, stands on the cusp of a major industrial transformation. The country is moving beyond reliance on imports towards a strong and self-sufficient economy. Two key events highlight this shift: significant foreign investment in vehicle manufacturing and the symbolic unveiling of modern city buses in Kabul. These initiatives demonstrate a national resolve to achieve self-sufficiency and progress. Kabul, the capital of Afghanistan, is witnessing a remarkable transformation in its public transportation system. The unveiling of new modern city buses is more than just a means of moving passengers. It's a powerful symbol of the country's self-sufficiency and progress. These sleek white buses, with their modern design and comfortable seating, provide a pleasant travel experience for citizens. They are not only essential for facilitating transportation, but also serve as a symbol of Afghanistan's growing domestic capabilities and advancements in local manufacturing. Every journey taken on these buses contributes to the nation's economic well-being and national confidence. These buses are expected to significantly ease traffic congestion in Kabul and improve the overall quality of urban life for its citizens. Residents can experience the city's beauty through the large panoramic windows of these buses. These modern vehicles are portrayed as symbols of hope and progress for the resilient people of Afghanistan. While more precise details about the sourcing of equipment and parts for these buses have yet to be released, there's a palpable and growing optimism for a future characterized by robust self-sufficiency and domestic industrial strength. It's anticipated that these buses will soon serve citizens not only in Kabul, but also in other provinces, bringing significant and tangible improvements to urban transportation systems nationwide. The core message conveyed by these developments is the unwavering determination of the Afghan nation to achieve self-sufficiency and comprehensive progress across various sectors. One of the cornerstones of Afghanistan's industrial renaissance is the $50 million investment announced by the prominent Chinese company Dongfeng IDI Motors in the country's growing automotive manufacturing market. This ambitious project is meticulously planned to be executed in 4 distinct phases over 3.5 years. In the initial phase, the company aims to produce 200,000 vehicles annually within Afghanistan, representing a significant leap in domestic manufacturing capacity. The comprehensive scope of this investment extends beyond passenger vehicles to include the production of ambulances, cargo vehicles, buses, and multi-purpose vehicles, indicating a strategic approach to address diverse national transportation needs across various sectors. The immediate and tangible economic benefit of this substantial investment is the creation of abundant employment opportunities. At least 500 to 700 direct jobs are projected. This not only addresses critical unemployment challenges, but also provides a significant boost to the country's assembly industry, setting the stage for future expansion. Crucially, the presence of a global brand like Dongfeng in Afghanistan goes beyond capital injection. It promises the invaluable transfer of modern technical know-how, new technologies, and advanced industrial standards to the country. This knowledge transfer is a monumental step that fundamentally shifts Afghanistan from mere import dependency towards genuine self-sufficiency and robust domestic production. By empowering the local workforce with advanced skills and techniques, This project lays a strong foundation for sustainable industrial growth and fosters innovation within Afghanistan itself. This move signifies a strategic pivot from reliance to empowerment, building a skilled workforce capable of contributing to a modern industrial economy. Afghanistan's strategic geographical location presents a unique and compelling advantage for this manufacturing investment. As a vital transit hub at the crossroads of Central Asia, with key transit points such as Wakhan Port, Sherkhan Bandar, Haratan, and Akina, the country possesses inherent potential to become a distribution and export center for domestically manufactured vehicles. This allows for efficient distribution to neighboring countries, effectively leveraging Afghanistan's unparalleled geopolitical position for economic gain. Currently, the trade balance between Afghanistan and China predominantly favors imports into Afghanistan. However, the development of projects like the Dongfeng IDI Motors initiative holds the transformative potential to bolster domestic production and revolutionize the country's export landscape, paving the way for a more balanced and equitable trade relationship. Beyond the automotive sector, these collaborations are expected to pave the way for further investments in other vital sectors, including mining, energy, transit, and technology, thereby fostering a more diversified, resilient, and robust economy. Afghanistan is indeed at the dawn of an exciting industrial era, propelled forward by strategic international partnerships and a deep national will to achieve comprehensive self-sufficiency. The Dongfeng IDI Motors investment, promising significant job creation, vital technology transfer, and a diversified automotive manufacturing base, coupled with the symbolic arrival of modern buses in Kabul, signals a profound and irreversible shift from a largely consumption-based economy to one focused on robust production and innovation. This is not just an economic transaction. It is the beginning of a compelling new narrative for Afghanistan's modern economy, characterized by dynamism, resilience, and forward-looking growth. The country is effectively laying the groundwork for a prosperous, green, and proud Afghanistan.